Oh! Tulok. Olino. And finally, Olino gets his basket sa 3 points. Mamintuan, bumawi. Wala, short.
One last ball.
31-28.
1 minute 14 seconds.
By 3. Ang Wiz Ballers. Umatake agad. Open lane.
Kinakaya.
Isa na lang. Castillo. Posting a play. Solomon. Hook shot. No good. And is the chance.
Try the three.
Makalamang na kaya. Hey!